Hi there, it's Amela with WTI, and today I'm going to show you a very practical lemon juicer that I have in my kitchen. So this one is the Joseph 2101 Helix Citrus Juicer Ergonomic Twist Action Hand Pressed Stainless Steel 1EA in the color yellow. This juicer is one of the best juicers I've ever had in the kitchen. It is very easy to use and is made of a good sturdy material that is non-staining and really easy to clean. So to use it, I just need to find the little red dot that each piece has, connect both of them, then turn it, and that's it. I get all the juice from the lemon and it fits the small ones and the big ones, so it's perfect for oranges or lemons, it doesn't matter. So if you're looking for a durable, high quality and easy to use juicer, I highly recommend this one. This is the Joseph 2101 Helix Citrus Juicer Ergonomic Twist Action Hand Pressed Stainless Steel 1EA in the color yellow. I highly recommend it. I love to use it, and that's my point of view.